In this Excel certification exam, use an Excel data tool to remove all records from duplicate customer ID values from the table. Do not remove any other records. So in this table, we have a customer ID and we have some duplicates, and we want to remove the duplicate from this table. So click anywhere on the table, go to Data, Data Tools, remove Duplicate, and you will see a window like this with the available columns to remove. Uncheck Data, uncheck Price, uncheck Order Total. Leave Customer ID checked. This is what the question asks. Remove the duplicate from the customer ID, but do not remove any other records. Then you're gonna hit OK. After you hit OK, Excel will give you a confirmation of how many duplicates removed and how many unique records left. Click OK. Here is the confirmation. 9 duplicates value found and remove 12 unique values remain. Click OK. That's it. Thank you for watching.